Do you ever feel confused because sometimes you see everyday spelled as one word and other times you see it as two separate words? This one's tricky, even for native speakers. But don't worry, I've got you covered. When everyday is one word, that is an adjective and is used to describe a thing that is used or seen daily. Something ordinary. This sweater, this is just my everyday sweater. Drinking water is part of my everyday routine. When you see everyday as two words, this is an adverb. When we use it as an adverb, it means daily. I try to drink water every day. One trick I like to use is if I can make every day into each day, that's a clue that I need that adverb two-word phrase. So I could say, I try to drink water every day, or I try to drink water each day. And I can say, this is my everyday sweater, but I can't say this is my each day sweater. So that clues you in that you need one word adjective. All right, I hope that helps, and I wish you luck every day.